Welcome to the channel. Today I want to go over a product that was sent to me for a review. Mossy Oak Headlamp. Alright. It's a rechargeable dual powered headlamp with motion sensor. Okay. It's a nice little small package, comes in a nice little small package. This would be great for, Christmas is coming up. Stocking stuffer. What do you think? Yes, I've done a previous video about headlamps, but guess what? You can't have too many of them. They're great all-around product for multiple purposes. I keep one on my nightstand in case the power goes out in the middle of the night or whatever, and I need to see. Like this channel, it's about motorcycles. I keep one in the saddlebag of my motorcycle. So in case I break down in the middle of the night or something, I have light. These are also great for camping. When you're outside in the campgrounds, middle of the night, or just taking, walking around your property at night too. Quick, easy. You can't have too many. Working on your cars, in your garage or whatever, and you need some light to look down in the engine compartment a little bit. Great for that. This is a great little light. So if this is something that you're interested in, there'll be a link in the description below. And yes, it'll be an affiliate link. There will be no additional charge to you, but I will receive a small commission, and it really helps out the channel. But let's get going on and see what's in the box. First off, you get some instructions, all right? Okay. Then you get your USB cord for charging, okay? And you get your light, your headlamp. I chose the blue. This comes in 3 different colors: blue, green, and camel, okay? Now this is a dual powered one. You can use the lithium battery that's included, or you could also use 3 AAA batteries. And I'll show you the battery compartment in a second. Now, if you're using the 3 AAA batteries, you get 9.5 hours of life out of it, around there. If you're using the lithium, depending on what you're doing, you can get, let's see here. I think it tells you. It depends on what you're doing, anywhere from an hour to 5.5 hours, depending on what mode and whatever you're using, okay? There's a couple different lights. You got like a spotlight, and then you got another light. These rings around the lights, they will glow in the dark, supposedly. I haven't checked it out yet. At the top, you have your 2 buttons here. You got your power button, and this also switches between different lights and whatever, and different modes. And then you have your button over here, which would be your motion sensor button. All you'd have to do is wave your hand in front of it, and it'll come on, okay? On this, you have your strap. It's kind of like rubber lined on the inside. Helps. And then you have your straps here, adjustment straps. So let's see, I have it adjusted here. All right, works out pretty good. Cool. On the bottom, this is where your port is for your USB. Okay. This also folds down a little bit, so when it's on your head, you can angle it. On the side, there's a little light here for your charging. Tells you, whatever. Charging indicator. Yeah, that's what I was saying. And they're pretty all self-explanatory. This also can be removed. All right. You just slide it to the right, and you can remove it, and it's got magnets on it. So this would be a great light for like working on your car. You can, or whatever, and you can just pop it on the hood of your car, and the light would shine down. So on this side, there is a clip. All right, so you just unclip it and it opens up. And that is where your lithium battery is, okay? There's a little lip here that you can pull out the lithium battery. I think. There we go. All right. And then you could put AAA batteries in there, okay? You could also charge this with the USB while it's out, because there's a little spot there to charge it. Or you could charge it through here, okay? Let's try to put this back in. Hopefully I'm doing this the right way. All right. Yep. There we go. Okay. There. And I'll slide this back on. Yeah. So, you got multiple modes by hitting this button here. Light turns on, so you can see. And I got this one on. Click it again, off. Click it again. Light or dim. All right, moves over to this light and both lights. All right. Now, if you press this button once, it'll put it in motion sensor mode. And then you just, whatever light you had on at the time, okay? And then you could always change lights if you want. There you go. Oh. And then, okay? Now, if you have the light on and you hold the power button for a few seconds, it'll dim. And it'll flash saying that's at the max, okay? Hold it again, and it'll go back up and brighten, and it'll flash to the max, okay? Pretty nice, I think. And I don't know if you can tell now, but since the light's been on, these are glowing. Okay? Fits pretty good. Voila. Now I'm going to take you out and see, you know what? I'll go use the hood of my car to see how this magnet works. And then I'll go take you in my shed. Hopefully it's dark, and then we can see how bright this stuff is. Like I said, I'm outside now. Let's take this off. Just slide it to one side. Boom. Comes off. Let's see here. Stick it to my car. Look at that. And then you could just angle it down if you need to. Good light. You could look in your compartment. Works pretty good. Okay. Take that off. Gonna slide it back on, hopefully. Moto. Okay. All right. So it's dark in my shed. Let's see. Let me hit the button once. Ooh, there we go. Pretty bright. I don't know. Can you see? There we go. Let's hit the button again. Oh. A little dimmer. There we go. Wide. Boom. All right. Lights up pretty good, I think. All right. So like I said, pretty good product. I like it. It'll come in handy. I like the rechargeable ones. I don't like to keep having to replace batteries and carry batteries around. I like the rechargeable ones. this will come in handy on my motorcycle and some other things like camping and everything else. Very small package, be a great Christmas present, like I said. And hey, if you're interested, the link will be in the description below. That's all for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Leave in the comments, what do you think? It's a great product, reasonable price. And if you want to see some more of my content, check out the next video up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.